In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in GoDaddy 2026. Redirect HTTP to HTTPS GoDaddy. Moving visitors automatically from the old HTTP version of your site to the secure HTTPS version is essential for security, trust, and SEO. With GoDaddy's cPanel hosting, you can turn this on with a simple toggle. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to expect. First, head to your GoDaddy product page and sign in. This is the central place that lists all of your GoDaddy products, including domains and hosting. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to confirm you're in the correct account so you don't make changes to the wrong project. Next, locate your web hosting account that uses cPanel. To the right of that hosting plan, select Manage. This opens the hosting dashboard for that specific plan, giving you access to settings and controls for the websites hosted there. From the hosting dashboard, choose cPanel Admin. This launches the cPanel interface itself, which is the control panel your server uses. Think of cPanel as the hub for domain routing, SSL, file management, and other server-level features. Inside cPanel, scroll to the domain section and select Domains. This page lists all primary domains, add-on domains, and sometimes subdomains tied to this hosting account. If you have more than one domain here, make sure you identify the exact one you want to secure. Find the domain you want to redirect to HTTPS and turn on the toggle labeled Force HTTPS Redirect. As soon as you switch it on, cPanel configures the server to send any HTTP request straight to the HTTPS version of your site. You don't need to edit files or write redirect rules. The toggle does that behind the scenes. A couple of quick tips. First, this works best when an SSL certificate is already installed and active for your domain. Most GoDaddy cPanel plans include Auto SSL, which issues and renews certificates automatically. If you turn on the redirect and don't see the secure padlock, give it a little time, clear your cache, or confirm the SSL is active in cPanel. Second, if your account hosts multiple domains, repeat this toggle for each domain you want secured. Finally, after enabling the redirect, test it by typing HTTP followed by your domain in a fresh browser window. You should land on the HTTPS version immediately. That's it. You signed in, opened your hosting dashboard, launched cPanel, went to domains, and enabled Force HTTPS redirect for your site. Your visitors are now automatically routed to the secure version, improving privacy, trust, and search visibility. Thanks for watching, and happy securing your site.